Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Christmas decoration house tour. If you're like me and you've been on the internet looking around all the gorgeous aesthetic Christmas trees from Restoration Hardware, Pottery Barn, or Williams-Sonoma, and your heart is just melting because you want it all, then this is not the video for you because I don't have anything like that. I'm more of like a kitschy, tacky meets classy 90s Christmas style. I have hand-me-downs from when I was a kid. I have things that I've purchased on the internet that make me happy. I have ornaments that I don't know where I got them from, but for some reason they mean a lot to me. So if this sounds like more your speed and you like to just get inspiration for Christmas, then keep watching. This video is for you. So first things first, here's my little centerpiece. This is a little poinsettia. She's real. I just love them. My dad really likes poinsettias, so for me, it's just really nostalgic. Also, they're relatively inexpensive. I think this guy in Canada was like $9, taxes included. So, inexpensive queen. Also, I have this little centerpiece here, and this one is from a place called Kitchen Stuff Plus. I purchased it this year. I really love it. It just has like this little hurricane vase in the middle, and I just added a bunch of lights, and then it's on a timer here. And it works out really well because at nighttime, which I'll show you at the end of the video, it's beautiful. Moving on, I have your standard issue wreath. Nothing really special. I think at one point it even lit up, but I don't really put it on now because I think the batteries don't work, but it still serves its purpose, so I've kept it because why not? Also, it doesn't have a lot of like they're kind of plastic, so it doesn't shed, which I appreciate. Next up, we have Skinny Claus. He is quite thin, but we love him because he was from the, I think, Value Village a few years ago. Oh, it's kind of creepy. Hey guys. I got him at Value Village a few years ago, and I think he was like $2.99, but we love him because he fits basically anywhere and he has some weight to him, so I don't have to worry about him like blowing down in the wind. He sits here. Isn't he cute? So next we have this fella. He is, I think, from HomeSense. He's relatively inexpensive. I want to say he was like $6.99, but he serves his purpose. Again, not a big shedder. And then we have this, which was from HomeSense as well, and it does light up. Here we go. But I don't ever have it lit because it seems kind of silly. It doesn't give off that much light here in the entranceway. But that's kind of like, you know, that's kind of how it looks when you come in. It's just right there. And then we have the Santa Claus, which, I mean, just nice and simple, nothing too crazy. Next we have where I spend most of my time, just in front of TV, like many of us. So of course I have my little tray of goodies because it's always nice to kind of snack. I have a candle, I have this little tree, which again I picked up, I want to say at HomeSense for minimal dollars, like maybe $12.99, and I just added my own string lights. I also would love Christmas throw cushions very much, but they're expensive. So I have this one from my mom. I don't know where she got it from. She's had it for a while. There's no tag on it, but I like it. I like the kind of cross-stitch vibe, and I think it's very cute. It's Christmassy. It serves its purpose. And then I also have this one, Bah Humbug, which is one of my favorite pillows. Also, these are my initials, which I know is neither here nor there or Christmassy, but I just always think of myself when I see this pillow. But I just really like it. I find it's like the classic Santa Claus. It is pilling a little bit. I don't know if you can see right there, but I guess I could clean it up, but it kind of just adds to its charm. Next up are my nutcrackers. These are nothing fancy. I got these boys, like you can see, their nose really chipping, but I got these fellas almost 10 years ago now from a little drugstore, Shoppers Drug Mart. I don't know what I paid for these guys, but it wasn't much. And I've just been using them, and I think as long as all their little bits are intact, I'm gonna continue to use them. Yes, you should continue to use me. But anyways, I really like them. They bring me a lot of joy. They remind me of my own traditions and Christmases. And yeah, I mean, look at his teeth. Next up, I have this garland. Now, let me tell you, flocked garland looks pretty. Probably would never buy again. I don't know if I'll keep it after this year. It's a new addition to my decor because I like how it outlines the TV stand, but I mean, she's so messy. I added these little string lights, so I wouldn't be wasting those. This is literally just the flocked garland. I think I paid $15 at a local hardware store, and I think I can totally get why it's $15. So, not sure if this is going to be staying, but I do love it. As far as this little scape goes, I already owned this, and I just always, every holiday that comes by, Thanksgiving, Easter, Christmas, it always works and always looks good. This one is a little tea light holder, which doesn't throw a lot of light, but it's from Germany. My mom and dad lived there for a few years, and that's one of their OG ornaments. And I mean, I love it so much. I don't light it, but it means a lot to me. This guy, look at him. So this guy I got from Walmart this year. He is, I think he was like $10.98 or something. Like, come on. And he looks really cute. He adds a lot of color, which we love. So it's always amazing when you find a good deal. You just love it so much. Well, I do anyways. So yeah, that is the kind of sitting area. Pretty much all I focus on is just this because this is what I'm facing most of the time. And I really like it. I find, see what I mean about this garland adding tons of ambiance? I really like it, but some garlands are so expensive. So I was thinking, you know what, for $15, add the lights myself. You can't really go wrong. So before we get to the tree, which I love, it's my favorite part, I would say, I do have a few other decor pieces. So here is a few other Christmas decorations that I have. I got rid of a lot last year, so I'm really trying to pare back. This is a Christmas bell that my mom gave me. I really like it. I think it just adds that little bit of, like, you know, nostalgic old time Santa. I love that there's a little Santa on top. These are new. These pictures are from Walmart. They're a collection with Fresh. I think it's Fresh or Freshie. Her name is Tori, and she is on Instagram. But I really like this collection with Walmart because it's very classy in my opinion, and I think they go really well together. They just add that little bit of winter touch, not so much Christmas. This is my Advent candle. I always have one every year. I just think it's very like Scandinavian of me, so I really love it. And then this little guy in the front, he is from Yankee Candle, and he is Christmas cookie scent. So moving on to the tree, I have a pre-lit artificial tree, and this little guy, if you watched my vlog, my most recent vlog, you can see me adding lights to it. It was just a standalone tree topper from Crate & Barrel, and I went ahead and added some lights, which really just kind of illuminated it. And then this is my tree. So I add garland because my mom always did. As a matter of fact, when I was little, she put actual tinsel on the tree. But of course, tinsel is so messy and it's very hard to find nowadays. But here it is, and there's just ornaments that I love. Some of my favorites, I bought this one this year. Look how freaking cute. Like, she's so cute. She's a little mouse. Is she not adorable? My dad bought me this ornament. I love it because I'm really, this is from Hallmark. I'm really into like Scandinavian decor. I think it's just so clean. This is another Hallmark. So my mom has always bought me a Hallmark ornament every year since I was born. So you'll notice there's like these ornaments here. It will focus. I got to pick one out every year. So this is a Hallmark ornament here. I have a Hallmark ornament here. And yeah, I just kind of fill the tree with Hallmark ornaments. Like this one here. It says, "Extra sharp, a daughter." And I don't know what year that's from, but that's a while ago. And yeah, of course, like through the years, I've obviously put some Disney on the tree. Again, Hallmark. This one is Hallmark as well, with my Starbucks next to it. So as you can see, these ones are really cute. Look. It's hard to part with ornaments that you love so much, because it's like if you don't have another tree to put them on, where do they go if you can't, I don't know, mix and match? Like, these are no significance. I just really love them. They're glass, and I just think they're so gorgeous. There's one from '91 when I was 2 years old. That's a Hallmark. So yeah, there's the tree. And I think she is beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed my Christmas house decoration tour. I had a lot of fun. It's kind of nice to explain and talk through different pieces as quick as it was. I forgot that tall, skinny Santa was from the Value Village, and I forgot that, you know, how much I didn't like flocked garland until I started playing around with it. It's just things like that. It's funny because you bring the Christmas decorations out, but you don't truly enjoy them. For myself anyways, I decorate and I handle the ornament once, but I never actually like pick it back up to like look at it or watch it glisten or glimmer or go through the tree and just sit there with my candy cane and look at all the stuff I've collected throughout the years. So it's nice to kind of take a walk down memory lane and remember where you got things from and what that piece reminds you of or means to you. So I just want to thank you for allowing me to make videos and put them on the internet. If you celebrate Christmas, if you do put up a tree, I would love to know in the comments below. Are you kind of a mismatched random Christmas person as well, or are you more of a theme? If so, what kind of theme? I think my favorite theme, oh gosh, would be probably plaids in like deep jewel toned colors like forest green and navy. Honestly, if I could have like a dream tree, that's what it would be. Anyways, I could ramble about Christmas forever, but until next time, thank you so much. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.